Hi guys, right now I am at the Sathodi Falls. This is in Karnataka, 91 kilometers from Hubli Airport. Today we are going to have a landscape photography tutorial and mainly focusing on long exposure. So we are going to photograph the Sathodi Falls. So keep watching for more. Okay guys, so I started to hear the sound of the waterfall, so I think we are closing in on the waterfalls. Okay guys, so we have reached the base of the waterfall. I'll be explaining to you the gear I'll be using. I have the Canon 1300 with the 18-135 USM lens, as well as the 200D or SL2 with the 50mm 1.4. And for the long exposure, I'll be using the k&fconcept ND filter in order to reduce the light while we reduce the shutter speed. And also I'll be using a tripod, Simpex tripod. So that's all. Let's go ahead and take the photographs. I am extremely sorry about the sound because of the waterfall. The noise is really high. I tried even using the microphone, but it's not really doing any good. So I'll be recording the video as of like this. So I've set up the camera here right now. I've set up the 18-135 lens on the Canon 200D and the k&f variable ND filter in the 18-135. Let me show you my settings. So the shutter speed I've gone with 10 seconds, then aperture f22 and the ISO 100, the lowest. Let me show you how it looks like this. I've set the camera to a timer so that even pressing the shutter, it won't affect the stability of the camera. So this is my frame, so let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I found a really good spot here for taking the long exposure. I'll show you the place.